Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to edit Lovable AI website manually. All right, let's begin. First, open any web browser and go to the official Lovable website. Sign in to your account and select the project you want to edit. Once the project loads, you will be redirected to the main workspace where your website setup and tools are available. Next, look at the top right corner of the screen and locate the GitHub icon. To edit your website manually, you need to connect your GitHub account with Lovable. Click on the GitHub icon and follow the on-screen steps to sign in to your GitHub account and authorize the connection. This step is required because manual editing works through your connected repository. After the connection is completed, click on the GitHub icon again. This time, select the option that allows you to edit the project in VS Code. When you choose this option, VS Code will open directly in your browser. Inside VS Code, you will have full access to your project files. You can now manually edit the code, update layouts, change styles, or modify functionality as needed. Any changes you make can be saved and synced back to your project. So, that's basically how you can edit Lovable AI website manually. That's it for this video. Thanks.